Welcome back to another update on the Algo FX Pro FTMO challenge. So as you can see, today is Tuesday the 8th of February and it's 5:04 p.m. So guys, we've done it. As you can see from the title of the video, we have passed another challenge with this EA. For those of you who don't know, I've already passed a 10k challenge on FTMO using this exact EA, and I'm now using this EA on the 10k live account. And what I did with some of that profit is I bought a 70k challenge, which I started trading in late December. And as you can see, this EA has now passed this 70k challenge as well. So we needed to hit a profit of 7,000, and you can see our account balance there. So I have stopped auto trading. So once we hit the required amount of profit, I did actually close the trades. And I was in work at the time, so I wasn't able to screen record like this, but I did manage to capture the moment on my phone. So I'll insert that video clip now. So as I say, this is the second challenge that I've passed using this EA. So on the 10k account is where we passed the challenge, and we also passed the verification stage. This is just the challenge stage at this point, but as I say, we have now passed it. And about an hour after passing the challenge stage, I received my verification stage logins from FTMO, so they were really quick in sending those over. So we'll be starting the verification stage shortly. It might be tomorrow. But I am happy just to have passed the challenge stage, because usually the challenge stage is the hardest part of FTMO. So if you have a look at the trades that we have taken today then, from what I remember, I don't think we took anything too big. I think we took a 0.88, which might have been the biggest. As you can see, 0.12 is our opening lot size. And then it did get up to a 0.88 because of the drawdown, but the market then went in our direction. And then the trade then closed at £130 profit. And I don't think there was anything bigger than that taken today. There's another 0.88, and that was on a sell this time. And that left us in a profit of £99.41. So overall then you can see the profit we made today was £531.13. And that is 55 pence over what we needed to get today in order to pass the challenge. So you can see our profit there, 7,055 pence. So instead of looking at the account metrics, what we'll do is we'll look at the account analysis, which has been sent over from FTMO. You can see it took us 24 days to get through the challenge stage, so the objective of a minimum of 10 trading days was met. We opened 1,018 positions, which is an average of 42.4 positions per day. Our win rate was 68.86% with a risk to reward ratio of 0.87. Our average profit was £20.77. And our average losing trade was £23.90. So as I say, I started this challenge on the 30th of December. We did originally have the 7th of February as our last day, but we did manage to get a 14-day extension. If you haven't seen that video, I recommend you going back and have a look at that. And that extended our deadline to the 21st of February, but as I say, today is the 8th of February, so we only really needed 1 day extension. So I am really happy that FTMO offered the 14 days extension, because if they didn't, we would have just missed the profit target. And as you can see, it only took us 1 extra day to pass. You can see our balance curve here. So if you've not been keeping up with the videos, we did have quite a good start. Then we hit the equity protector. Then we made some more good progress, but then I had to close some trades early due to some news coming out. So we did actually have another losing day, but then after that losing day, you can see we've made really good progress on this account. So you can see we have been more profitable on buys on this account. We've taken more buys as well, so 589 buys taken with a result of just under 7,000. Sells is where we hit the equity protector, so you can see we are just about profitable in sells, but our win rate is obviously lower because that is where we took the losing trades. So 64.8% win rate on sells, and then a 71.8 on buys. And you can see how well we did actually do with buys here, just a really steady equity growth up. Whereas in sells, it was a little bit more of a mess. And that's, as I say, is because we hit the equity protector in sells. So you can see Monday and Thursday being our most profitable days. So you can see the trading day analysis here, 24 days overall trading. And as I say, we took an average number of trades of 42.42, 21 positive days out of the 24. With an average winning day at £488, 3 negative days, and as I say, one of them we hit the equity protector on, so it was minus 1,000 on our average negative day. So a 0.91 was our most profitable lot size, so £928 made on a 0.91. Our least profitable was a 2.14, and that was one of the trades taken when we hit the equity protector, and I believe that was our biggest lot size as well. So you can see the trade duration as well. These account analysis, if you've not seen one of these before, you can see how in depth they are. FTMO is really a fantastic platform for traders. I mean, look at these account analysis. You can really get into the nitty gritty of exactly how this EA is traded. But the final valuation is the most important part, and you can see none of the objectives were violated. Even the max daily loss of 3,500, it wasn't too close at all. It was nothing I was worried about. minus 2,600. So we nearly had another £1,000 to play with there. So I'm really happy with the amount of drawdown we've had on this challenge. And the most important one, the profit target, we have now passed. So overall, absolutely delighted that we've passed another challenge with this EA. As I say, the next step is the verification stage. Never know what might happen. We might not get through that. We'll just have to wait and see. We'll just have to trade responsibly, follow the rules, avoid trading news, etc. So I just want to take a second to thank everyone for watching this series. I really do appreciate it. Anyone who's new to the channel, I appreciate you guys coming along as well. If you do have any questions on this EA, please let me know, and thanks very much for watching.